Hi. Now, we have talked about what is democracy. Now, we will look at why democracy, as in why we need democracy. Can we do with other forms of government? So, let's have a look at why democracy. We have till now looked at what is democracy. Now, we will look at why democracy. So first, if you look at this entire chapter, I'm sure you are by now aware of certain names like Madame Lingdo. So we talk about Madame Lingdo in this chapter and how Madame Lingdo's class is very democratic in nature, and how you all these students, Yolanda, Jenny, Ribiang, Rose, they ask a lot of questions in Madame Lingdo's class, and how her entire class, debates and discusses about all these features of democracy, which brings us to this entire thing that in a democracy, if you ask a lot of questions, that is a very healthy sign of democracy. So Madame Lingdo's class is very democratic, I would say, because in her class students ask a lot of questions, and Madame Lingdo also takes a lot of interest in discussing those questions. She answers all those questions. So let's have a look at some merits of democracy. What are the certain merits of democracy? What are certain arguments that can be given in favor of democracy? So there are certain arguments that of course can be given in favor of democracy. First, could be that when you live in a democratic country, you are able to voice your opinions. So let's have a look at what Yolanda has to say. Yolanda says that we live in a democratic country, and all over the world people want democracy. So countries that were not democratic earlier are now moving on to becoming a democratic country. And Yolanda says that countries that earlier were not democratic are now becoming democratic. And all great people have said nice things about democracy. So, isn't it obvious that democracy is the best? So, do we have to debate this? In response to that, Tankini says that Lingdo Madam had said we should not accept something just because it is famous, which is correct. We should just not accept something only because it's famous. We should try and logically, arrive at a conclusion, look at its pros and cons, try and debate it. So Tankini says that isn't it possible that everyone is following a wrong path? Jenny says, yes, it actually is a wrong path. What has democracy brought to our country? 7 decades of democracy, and there is so much poverty in the country. Ribyang has something else to offer. So Ribyang says that what has democracy got to do with poverty? And do we have poverty because we are democratic, or do we have poverty despite being a democracy? And moving on to this, you can see that Jenny says something else, Poimon says something else, Rose has something else to offer. Hoi, Rose, and again Hoi. So when you look at when you look at this debate, and when you look at these students debating the merits of democracy, you get an idea that it's very democratic to debate in a class or in a family or in a country. The basic feature of a democratic country is that there should be healthy discussions, and that is something that's happening in Madame Lingdo's class. So we can actually call it a democratic class. Now, Madame Lingdo was listening to all this discussion with interest. She steps in and she says that I was delighted to see you all arguing so passionately. I don't know who is right here and I don't know who is wrong here. That is for all of you to settle. But I did feel that you all wanted to speak your mind. So, of course, because, when everyone has something to offer, that means that, they have something to offer, which means that they are actually speaking up. They are voicing their opinions, which actually is a very good thing. And she also says that you may have felt very bad if someone tried to stop you, or if someone punished you for your own opinion. So would you be able to do that in a country that is not democratic? Right? So you can't do that in a country which is not democratic. So let's say that you are stopped from making your own opinions. You cannot voice your own opinions. That is not a sign of a democratic country. So all this is only possible in a democratic country. In a democratic country, you can actually debate, you can put forward your own views, you can voice your opinions, and your opinions will be welcomed. That is a very healthy sign of a democratic country. Thank you.